In this video, I am going to draw this sketch in CATIA. I am going to draw the half sketch in the CATIA, and then I am going to mirror it with this reference to the other side. So let's start it. Start mechanical design, part design, name it, okay, and then go to tools, options, and check the units. Units are millimeter. We are good. Click OK. Then I am going to select XZ plane and start sketching on this plane. So I am going to draw a line, but I am going to activate the construction line. This line is just for reference. I'm going to draw it here, and then I am deselect the construction command, and for this one I am going to select construction, but now I am going to deactivate it. So I'm going to draw a circle now. I'm going to draw a circle on this reference line, and then I am going to add the dimension of this circle. This dimension is given, it's in radius form, so I am going to select the dimension type to radius, and its value is 60 millimeter. We are going to adjust it and make it here. Like that, I am going to fit in all. You can practice these view tools to adjust your working space and your drawing size and scaling. You must practice these tools. So now I am going to add a line. I'm going to select the profile tool. I'm going to start my sketch from here, make it here, just a random sketch as we see in the drawing. Yeah, we just draw the half sketch. Now we are going to add the dimension of this sketch. To do so, I am going to pan it, move my sketch little bit above. Now I am going to add the dimensions. So dimension from this point to this point is given, and it will be 300 divided by 2, and the dimension from this point, select this point and then press the control and select this reference line, and then select the dimension constraint. This dimension is given, total is 500, and we are going to divide it by 2. Okay, and the angle between these two dimensions is given, so I am going to select this line and this line, and then I am going to select the dimension constraints. So the angle dimension is shown, so I am going to double click it. This dimension is 60, and the dimension from this line, I'm going to select this line, press the control, select this line, and then add the dimension. This dimension is given, its value is 60. And then for a good way of sketching, I am making this line or this point coincident with this point. I am selecting this point, then press the control, select this point, and then I am going to constrain define dialog box. I am going to select coincident. So now this line is coincident with this point, and I'm going to make it fit in all. And the dimension from this point, select this line, press control and select this line. This dimension is also given at the constraint dimension, and this is 259. and the angle dimension between this line, select this line and select this line, is also given, which is 60. Is 60, sorry. And then we are going to add the dimension of this center point to this center point. We can also add the relation between this point and this point, and but here I am going to add the dimension of this point. Select this point, select this origin, and the dimension, which is also 259, like that. Now I am going to mirror my sketch this lines. I am going to select this line, then I am going to press the control, keep pressing the control, and select this line, this line, this line, this line. The color of the lines is telling us that these lines are selected. Then I am going to mirror, and then I am going to select the reference lines, so the sketch is mirrored. Now we don't need this upper arc of the circle, so I am going to quick trim and select this one. Now the sketching is complete, everything is fully defined, so I am going to exit workbench, and then I am going to pad dimension it to 40, so it's done.